Hey, this is Josh, founder of Renew King, where we help you be more proactive so that your customers don't forget about you. Now, one of my favorite things that we do for brand new customers is what we call the review booster. And we just generate a bunch of awesome 5-star Google reviews from your customers for you, but we do it really quickly and right out of the gate when you get started with us. So I had a quick conversation with one of our new customers, Craig, over at Breinholt Insurance. And he talks a little bit about his experience with getting started in Renew King, as well as how we generated 90 brand new 5-star reviews for his agency. That's a 90. So this is Craig at Breinholt Insurance. Check it out.
How long have you even been in the insurance industry?
I've been doing it for 11 years, but the business was started in 2015. So this business is 6 years old.
What got you into insurance in the beginning?
What got me into it was I had some family that were in it, doing the commercial insurance gig, and my dad, who owns a real estate business, just told me I should look into it.
And how did you hear about Renew King at first?
I believe he got an email about it, actually.
I think it was email marketing.
Yeah. So one of the cold emails that we wrote and just started sending out.
Yeah, it said something about getting more Google reviews, and that was something that I tried to do on my own. And said, let's look into it. I'm like a try everything once kind of guy, if it makes sense.
What actually got you to pull the trigger and sign up for Renew King?
The ease of doing it. There's so much going on, and we're a small business with 10 people, and we're all running at full capacity sometimes. And when you and I spoke, we spoke on the phone. I said, okay, I'll talk to him. And I thought also you were going to come out with some extravagant number that was like, hey, we'll charge you $5,000 and we'll get you like hundreds of reviews. And you said it was like $60 or something. $60, like to get a bunch of referrals and to continually have reviews and our customers be engaged. Yeah, like that makes sense. Like I'm a numbers guy, right? So $60 a month, and to have what I've been wanting to have, which is better SEO from Google from our reviews and all that, but it makes enough difference that it's a no-brainer to me.
This no-brainer is where I wanted you to get when we talked about pricing, we talked about value for what you were going to get. So I'm pumped that you even said, hey, it was a no, we want to deliver that huge impact, that huge ROI right at the beginning, because that's what gets you to go, hey, this was totally worth my money.
Yeah. Immediate value for sure.
What was some of the feedback you got from your clients? Was it interesting to hear kind of a lump sum of feedback from your people after surveying them?
We saw mostly all positive feedback. People had good things to say about myself, about Athea, about Scott, about other people in the office. So it was nice to get that positive reassurance.
Good. I know that's one of those things, like when you're not hearing from your customers on a regular basis, or you're only hearing from them when they need something from you,
right.
You're as a small business, you're left in like this, do they like us? Are we doing a good job? I don't know. And not having that kind of feedback it can keep you up at night, actually, as a business owner. So it's great to hear that. Even though I'm sure that you have the confidence in your team and knowing, hey, we're doing good, it still does something for your morale when you actually see those words written out, right?
We've kept people mostly happy, but it helps to hear from them and see those words in writing. It's a huge
What do you like most about Renew King?
The simplicity. Honestly, the simplicity is probably what I enjoy the most. I like the fact that we downloaded a spreadsheet for you. You guys did the uploading. And then from there, we just provide people with the link. It's very simple, very efficient. It's not efficient. I don't want to mess with it. And what I love that you guys help us get positive feedback from our clients. I mean, we have tons of reviews that we didn't have before, which help us. They give us, they help us in the on the web and with Google and all of that. I mean, I love that. That's what we want. We need.
Yeah.
But the actual process of it, I love it.
You mentioned that this is something that you tried before. Can you tell me like what you tried to do to get reviews in the past that just didn't work out?
Basically, just asked our customers. I mean, we were trying to ask our customers. We put something in our email at one point, like, "Hey, we love reviews. Like, please leave us a review." We tried that. It just didn't have the same effect. People look at it and go, cool, another person asking for a review. I'll get to that sometime, right? Yeah. But when I sent texts to people I knew or clients I knew and saying, hey, would you mind please leaving us a review? It would work, but I don't have the time to send 1,000 texts. I could get a few reviews, but it was very inefficient, right? Like I was just saying, I'm not going to spend my time on something that's inefficient. If there's a more efficient way to do it, that's what I want to do.
Cool. So it sounds like Renew King, it's saved you time that you didn't want to spend doing something that you did want to do. So you've kind of got the best of both worlds. Like, I don't have to spend my time on this. I can focus on other areas of the business, but I'm still getting the results that I want, which are more 5-star reviews, that client engagement, that feedback that we want to hear, and make sure that we're still doing the right thing for our clients. Yeah.
Of course. Absolutely.
Sweet.
Yes, sir.
Sweet.
Well, thank you very
All right,
much.
you guys.
Appreciate it, Josh.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Look, if your clients aren't hearing from you, they're forgetting about you. You've probably grown your agency, you're firing on all cylinders, and things are going well, but you're spending all of your company resources on sales, service, and just putting out those day-to-day fires that come along with running a business. When you partner with Renew King, we send out very simple surveys to every new client that generate 5-star Google reviews and referrals. We create and deliver content throughout the year that keeps your customers engaged and connected to you, and we run cross-selling campaigns that just set you up for easy upsells. There's no confusing software to learn or manage, and we actually write and deliver every single email so that you can do what you do best, and that's run your agency. So let's schedule a chat and see how Renew King can work for you.